Okay, on using the Oatey Fusion single-step PVC cement, it is medium-bodied. The most overlooked step is this one, applying the second coat to the pipe. It goes something like this. The depth of the socket is something you just have to kind of know or kind of take a guess at. And very seldom will it go all the way, but if the fittings match up really good, it may, because the pipe will be parallel, but this will have a slightly tapered fit. So what Oatey would like for you to do is first hit the pipe to the depth of the socket. We're going to say about an inch. A liberal coat. I'm going to set it down. Next, a thin coat to the inside of the fitting. Maybe an elbow, maybe a butt connector. In this case, it's just a connector. Set it down. The most overlooked step is the third one. They want you to go back and put a thin coat on the pipe. Most plumbers will overlook that. Put it back together, push it, turn a quarter turn. Oatey wants you to hold for a full 30 seconds. By holding a full 30 seconds, you are practically guaranteed 100% not to have pushback. Now, and generally, most plumbers will only go about 15 seconds, if that. You can see the numbers there. We've got no pushback. And this is with the Oatey Fusion single step. If you use the primer as some codes require, that's an entirely set of other steps. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. You work safe out there. Have a good one.